This 2016 BMW 330e was purchased by my friend around 2 years ago, and today we are gonna go over the whole ownership experience and how much it has costed him so far to maintain this car, and also everything that's gone wrong within the past almost 2 years. So let's go find out. All right, first things first, this car has been serviced 4 times so far. So that is engine oil and the oil filter. So putting that out of the way, this car has had a major service 1 time. That included basic engine oil, oil filter, engine flush, which is something that I really recommend you all do because it will just take all the gunk out of your engine and just piss it out. Next thing, BMW tells you not to change your gear oil. As you all know, we talk about this a lot on this channel. Please change your gearbox oil. It's been recommended by ZF, who actually makes these gearboxes. Newsflash, BMW doesn't make gearboxes. Change your gearbox oil every 80,000 kilometers, which this car had the service for. It's an expensive service compared to oil service, but still very important to do. A coolant flush, injector cleaner, spark plugs and ignition coils, all of these came up before the 100,000 kilometer mark, so all of them had to be taken care of. Basic things like air filter, like the cabin air filter, all necessities. Okay, now that we've talked about the preventative maintenance that has to be done to any used car that you buy, let's talk about some issues that this car has had so far, mainly with the batteries, but it's not what you think. The 2 main issues that this 2016 car has had so far, remember this car has been driven almost 100,000 kilometers and it's almost 8 years old. 2 of the batteries have gone out, but not 2 of the battery cells for the hybrid drive. BMW has actually been amazing with that. The aux battery and the 12-volt battery, which both cause a lot of issues with the car's electronic system. You will get a drivetrain error, you will lose the function to switch to the hybrid drive system, you will go over bumps, and you will probably not fall. Wow. So in that sense, BMW has done an amazing job with these cars, because just go online and just read on forums and everything, you will think that these cars will be horrible and their hybrid batteries are gonna be destroyed within 5 years and all of that. That's the main reason that these cars have depreciated in such a huge way after their 5 years of being in the market. But surprisingly, this specific car at least has been amazing, and a lot of the other cars that my friends have owned, they've also had amazing experiences with them. So now that we figured out that having a 12-volt battery being bad is actually bad and could cause a lot of issues, let's talk about something else that's bad. That is the coolant leaking issues that B48s all have, B48 being the engine code name for this car. Specifically, could be from your radiator or could be from your coolant cap. This car specifically, it is from the radiator. Radiator has to be replaced. That is gonna be a costly, oh my God, I'm gonna fall. One more thing that you're gonna have to consider when you're buying one of these cars, if you're gonna buy one used, consider the tire cost, because tires are gonna be more expensive. That's the first thing. The second thing is the used car market usually does not have very good tires. You know, the used cars in the used car market do not really have good tires. People use up all of their tires before they sell their cars for some reason, you know. When this car was purchased, the tires had to be changed. Big deal, right? Second thing is, do not buy 150cc bikes and put an exhaust on them. I'm talking to you.
I have a 250cc bike.
Yeah. Last but not least, the brakes. The brakes on this car has been replaced as part of a maintenance item. Brake pads, brake discs, and brake fluid. 8-year-old car, 100,000 kilometers. Change all of that and you'll be golden and you'll be safe. That's about it. This car has been perfect. You are planning to buy one of these, go ahead and buy one. They are at a bargain right now. You make sure you're getting one in a very good condition and have it checked thoroughly. If you have one of these, congratulations, you own a great car. Even though they are depreciating like hell, you know, RIP to you if you bought one of them new. But they're great cars, they're pretty reliable. You can probably own them for a very long time. Oh my God, when I rev it, it's a lot worse. So, you know, putting my foot on the gas,